Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see our bar plot assignment. So the assignment which is based on the housing data set. So the problem statement is write a Python program to demonstrate how to draw a bar plot using Matplotlib and Seaborn and analyze the data pattern if any. So it means we have to implement a bar plot using Matplotlib and Seaborn. So the Matplotlib and Seaborn both are the used for the data visualization. These are the most famous libraries from the data for most famous library which is used for the data visualization. Okay, so let's see our implementation of that particular assignment. So first import all required libraries first. So the required libraries are pandas and numpy. So import pandas and numpy. So how to import? Write import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. I I explained this PD, NP, or why we use and what is as, what is import. So it is already explained in previous videos. So see that videos as well. Then how to import to matplotlib. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So the how we import that matplotlib library. So for that purpose we will use import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, this is most important. Then the second library, that is import cburn as sns. Okay, so we imported that two libraries, matplotlib and cburn. So the next library, that is sorry so the next that is importing the csv file. So how to import that csv file? Df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. So read underscore csv. So what is read underscore csv? Read underscore csv is a method of panda. So it is used to importing the csv file. Okay, so df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and write your file name as a parameter. So we will use housing dataset for that particular assignment. Okay, so I import here a housing dataset here. So print that dataset. If we print that dataset, it will print over all the columns or all the rows here. Okay, so how many columns and how many rows we will check in further implementation. So check that the column names, that is price, area, bedrooms, bathrooms, stories, main road, guest rooms, basement, hot water heating, air conditioning, parking. So these are the parameters from the that particular data set. Okay, so we will check the price is the column which we have to predict. Okay, so we will not see about the prediction, we will see the comparison chart using the bar plot. Okay, so let's see, first print df, then print size. Okay, size, that is 7085. Shape, that is 545 and 13, 545 rows and 13 columns. Okay, so the print, then info. So info, in this method we will see the total information about your data set. So how many columns? There are total 12 columns. Okay, the data types are here. Okay, so interest start from total interest 545 interest, and interest start from 0. So then the d types, total we have 6 column which is based on the int 64 data type, and we have total 7 column which is based on the object data type. Okay, so total memory uses, that is 55.5 plus kb. So this is all, this is total information about your data set. Then the print head. So if we use the header method, it will print the total 5 records from your dataset. Okay. Then the tail method is used to print the last 5 records from your dataset. Then the count returns the total number of values from your particular columns. Okay. So price contain 545 values, area contain 545 values. Same for the all columns. Okay. Then the d types, it will return our data type of that particular parameter. Okay, so the price have int 64 data type, then area have int 64, and the same furnishing status, that is object, and the prefer area are object. Okay, so all are the data types of our particular parameter. Okay, then the next is column. So it will print the total columns from your data. Okay, so we will get the total column name from using the columns attribute. Okay, then the next one, uh, okay, use numeric, it is not important here, so we will check the next. Using this we will print a total 4 records. Okay, then the okay, then let's see, this is a code for importing one image from the our folder. So you can see this code as well. You can use this code for importing any image from your folder, then you can use this code. Okay, so this is image which is based on the bar plot. So this is a question. That question is the average speed of some vehicle is show. This example, this image is for only for the purpose of understanding our bar plot, which is not related to our practical implementation. It is for the understanding purpose of our bar plot. Okay, see the question. That the question is the average speed of some vehicle is shown below, represent it through a bar plot. Okay, so this is our data. So data are name of the vehicle and average speed. Okay, so cycle have average speed, that is 25, scooter have average speed, that is 42, bus have average speed, that is 60, car have average speed, that is 80, train 65. Okay, this is our data, and we will print print the bar plot for that. So how to print? Okay, let's see. So you can see here, in the x-axis we have all our name of vehicle. This is name of vehicle column. So the name of vehicles are cycle, scooter, bus, car. Okay, these are the our one parameter. So that parameter is written here: cycle, scooter, bus, car, and the train. Okay, last column is train. Okay, the average speed, cycle have the average speed, that is 20, 28 9 something is the average speed of is a 25. Okay, so this is a bar plot. Cycle have the this is a rectangular type of bar. So it represent, it shows that the cycle have a particular speed, that is 25. Okay, then the scooter have 42, scooter have speed, that is 42. So scooter, it has a 42 speed. Okay, you can see here, this is a 42. Okay, so it represent the scooter speed. Okay, then bus have, you can see here, 60 is the speed of bus. Okay, so bus have a 60 speed. Okay, so it is, yeah, it is represent here. Then car is 80, so it is represent here. Okay, then the next one is train have a 65, so it is represent here. So we can see that this bar plot is used for the comparison purpose. Okay, so it is totally shows the comparison of two parameters. Okay, we have two parameters. That two parameters are name of vehicle, and then the second parameter is average speed. Okay, so that bar plot totally shows the comparison of that two parameter, two columns. Okay, so the columns are, first column is name of vehicle. These are the name of vehicle column, it means our x-axis. And in the y-axis we have second column, that is average speed. Okay, so we have second column, that is average speed. So this we can see that the bar plot is totally used for the comparison purpose. Okay, comparison purpose, it shows the comparison between the two parameter. Cycle have 25 25 speed limit, scooter have 42 speed limit, bus has 60 speed limit, car has 80 speed limit, then train has 65 speed limit. Okay, it this this is our data, and this is our bar chart on the basis of that data. So same as like this, we will print our bar plot using our data set. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the code. This is the code to print the bar plot. Okay, so in this code we will see the bar plot using the Seaborn. Okay, first, how do you import Seaborn? Use For importing purpose, we will use import Seaborn as SNS. Okay, so import Seaborn as SNS. Then we will use that SNS here, and then use that method name. Okay, bar plot method name. So first, plt dot figure, plt, it means matplotlib dot figure, then fig size is equal to 10 by 6. Okay, height and width, then height and width, then sns dot bar plus. When we use sns here, it will print the bar plot from the Seaborn. Okay, then use the parameters of box plot, that particular box plot. The parameters are x-axis and y-axis. Okay, then write the data name here. This is most important. If अगर हम यहाँ x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस मेंशन कर रहे हैं, पर उसको x एक्सिस में जो लिखा है हमने एरिया और प्राइस, वो कहाँ से मिलेगा? तो उसके लिए उसको एक थर्ड पैरामीटर देना पड़ता है. वो थर्ड पैरामीटर है अवर डेटा नेम. डेटा नेम, इट मीन्स अवर डेटा फ्रेम का नेम हमें यहाँ डालना होता है. देन पैलेट, then vertices, you can use any palette name here. Okay, this is best for the representation purpose. Okay, then coloring and representation purpose. Then this next is plt dot title. Then this plt dot title is used for the title of particular bar plot. Okay, title of particular bar plot. So here we use plot name, that is bar plot for the bar plot for the area, price versus area. Okay, we use price versus area. Okay. Hmm. Okay, price versus area, it shows the full code, that is price versus area. So the plt dot x label, that is area, then plt dot y label, that is price. Plt dot x label, it shows the label for the x axis. It will print the label for the label, it means the name for the x axis. And plt dot y label, it shows or it print the name for the y axis. And plt dot show, it is used to show our image. Okay, so check, we will check. This is our bar plot, which we print here. We use two column, that is we have one axis, that is x axis, and x axis have one column name, that is area, and then on the y axis we have price column. So this is the bar plot from using area or price. It shows the comparison between the area and price. Okay, this is using sns. Okay, this is using sns. We will use sns, it means we use here a Seaborn library. So in next cell we will use our matplotlib library. Okay, let's check. Using matplotlib. Okay, so using matplotlib, how to use matplotlib? First, for the matplotlib purpose, we have to use the plt. Okay, in the plt we will get the bar. Okay, in the plt we will get the bar. Okay, from the sns we will get bar plot. Okay, this is the difference. If we use sns, then it will bar plot. Okay, we have method, that is bar plot. And if we use plt, we have method, that is bar. Okay, so plt dot bar, and then we have to provide here a two parameter, that parameters are bathroom and price. Okay, we will provide, I provide here a two parameter. First is bathroom for the x-axis, and for the y-axis I provide here a price column. Okay, so we have total four bathrooms, so it shows the if the flat or flat have the four bathroom, then the price, what will be the price. Okay, so plt dot bar for the bathroom and price, it will shows the comparison between the bathroom and price. Okay, then plt dot title for the plt dot title for the purpose of heading of that particular plot. Okay, then the x label for the name of x axis, y label for the name of y axis, and that plt dot show. Okay, let's run it. Okay, see here the difference between that bar plot and this bar plot. So number of bathrooms, where we have one bathroom, then two bathroom, then three bathroom, then four bathroom. Okay, if we have one bathroom in one flat, then the price will be this. Okay, then the if we have two bathroom, then the price will be this. Okay, then three bathroom, the price will be this. Okay, then the four bathroom, it will have a price that is. Okay, this is the price for the four bathroom. Okay, so it is used for the comparison purpose of that particular two parameter. Okay, so next, this I show because of we have to use the Seaborn or Matplotlib both. So we can implement bar plot using only one library. So we will see using Matplotlib. I want to use Matplotlib library for the bar plot. So we will use PLT from the next cell. Okay. Then SNS dot bar plot bedroom and price. If we compare, use the bedroom and then the y-axis price, and then it will print like this. Okay, this is a plot from the SNS. So it look like a candle. So it is not totally a bar plot. It is candle plot. Okay, so from the PLT we will get total exact bar plot. So from the next cell, we will use bar plot, plt dot bar, okay, bathroom with price. Then the next plt dot bar, bedroom, bedroom bedroom, and height will be price. Okay, then you can check here. We change one parameter, that is y-axis. Y-axis we have height is equal to price. You can write here height is equal to, instead of y, we can write height is equal to price. Okay, so this is only the difference between this. So then here same, mm, plt dot bar for the stories and price. Okay, height gt price. Then we can delete that palette because it is from the Seaborn. So run this library, sorry, run this code. So we will get this bar plot. Okay, category versus nahi, story versus price. Okay, so we will write here a name again, story versus price. Okay, so if we run, it will change the total name, bar plot for the stories versus price. Okay, this is our bar plot for the stories versus price. Okay, so next, same as like this, we have you have to just copy this code and paste into the new cell and just change the x-axis. Okay, so change the x-axis only, then print that bar plot. It will shows the total comparison between the between price and that particular column. Okay, why we compare that price column with the other columns? Because we all know, because we all know the price is totally depend. Let me print the total data set. So here we can check the, we have a price column, and we all know how the price column means our हमारा जो प्राइस कॉलम होता है, प्राइस मीन्स हमारा घर का जो प्राइस होता है, वो घर का प्राइस टोटली हमारे किस पैरामीटर पे डिपेंड करता है। तो अगर हमारा घर का प्राइस डिसाइड करना हो तो हम वो किसके बेसिस पे डिसाइड करते हैं? तो हम किसके बेसिस पे डिसाइड करते हैं? तो एरिया भी होगा उसका, बेडरूम्स कितने हैं उस फ्लैट में, बाथरूम्स कितने हैं, स्टोरीज क्या है, मेन रोड क्या है, गेस्ट रूम है क्या, बेसमेंट है क्या, वाटर हीटिंग है क्या, एयर कंडीशनिंग है, पार्किंग है, ये सब चीजें हम देखते हैं। उसके बेसिस पे हमारा जो फ्लैट है या हमारा जो घर है उसकी प्राइस हम डिसाइड करते हैं। ओके, तो हमें क्या करना है, ये जो प्राइस कॉलम है उसका कंपैरिजन ये सारे पैरामीटर के साथ करना है। तो अगर हमें बार प्लॉट प्रिंट करना है तो कोडिंग तो हमारा सेम आएगा ऐसा ही, ठीक है, सेम आएगा ऐसा ही, पर उसके साथ क्या चेंज होगा, बस हमारा एक्स एक्सिस चेंज होगा। कैसे चेंज होगा? हमारे पास एक्स एक्सिस पे कौन है, हमारे पास एक्स एक्सिस पे कौन है, तो हमारे पास एक्स एक्सिस पे अगर एरिया होगा तो एरिया, अगर एक्स एक्सिस पे है तो वाई एक्सिस पे कौन होगा, प्राइस होना चाहिए। देन अगर बेडरूम हमारे एक्स एक्सिस पे होगा तो वाई एक्सिस पे हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए, प्राइस होना चाहिए। देन अगर बाथरूम एक्स एक्सिस पे हो तो वाई एक्सिस पे क्या होगा, प्राइस होगा। इट मीन्स वी विल कंपेयर दैट ऑल पैरामीटर विद द प्राइस कॉलम। ओके, so it will shows the total information about your particular data set. Means we have to, if we want to understand the pattern, if we we want to understand the pattern, and if we want to understand the data, then we can use the bar plot. Okay, and that bar plot totally shows the comparison between that two parameter. Okay, it will means it will shortly shows the total information about your data set. Okay, so you can use you can copy that all code and paste into the new cell and just change the parameter name. Okay, change only x axis and print that all bar plot. So it will print that or bar plot, so it will shows the total information or total comparison between that two parameter. Okay, this is all about this assignment. You can implement that to full assignment. if you अगर उसमें कुछ issue आता है तो आप मुझे बताना, definitely I will show explain that assignment again. just check करना, और जो कुछ तुम implement कर रहे हो उसका अच्छे से आउटपुट आ रहा है कि नहीं। जब आप एस एन एस यूज करने करोगे, सीबर्न यूज करेंगे, तब आपको इस टाइप का प्लॉट मिलेगा। जब आप पीएलटी यूज करेंगे तब आपको इस टाइप का प्लॉट मिलेगा। ठीक है, तो आपको अगर सीबर्न यूज करना है तो भी आप कर सकते हो, अगर मैटप्लॉटलिब यूज करना है तो भी आप कर सकते हो। बस आपका हमारा टारगेट क्या है, ये जो कंपैरिजन हम कर रहे हैं दो पैरामीटर में, वो कंपैरिजन हमारा टोटली अच्छे से आ जाए। और इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, ये जो चार्ट आया है उस चार्ट के बेसिस पे एक सेल यहाँ ऐड करनी है, और इस प्लॉट से आपको क्या समझ में आता है वो सारा यहाँ आपको लिखना है। इट मीन्स वी हैव टू राइट द एनालिसिस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट बार प्लॉट। ओके, सो आपको यहाँ पूरा एनालिसिस उसका लिखना है। हर बार प्लॉट के बाद के सेल में आपको ये एनालिसिस यहाँ लिखना है। ओके, इस तरह से हमारे ये पूरा असाइनमेंट यहाँ कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। ओके, so try for this assignment, it is very easy. Okay, so thank you very much.